Today I'm going to show you how to commence a flash loan on PancakeSwap. The first thing you need to do is go to remix.ethereum.org, which is right here, the URL, and you'll come to this. You're going to go to this little thing here called the File Explorer. Click on that, and you're going to want to make a new file. So you can go to Create a New File. Give the file a name. We're going to call it flash loans.sol. Press enter. And then there's the code I posted a link to. This is the flash loan code. I copied and pasted in here. And there's a link in the description to this code. After that, you're going to go down to deploy and run. You want to make sure that you have injection web 3 picked. You want to make sure you have your MetaMask over here installed and it's running on the BNC or the BNB smart chain. And make sure this address right here matches up pretty much with this, the beginning of that. Okay, we're connected to the right one. We're going to go back up to compiler, and we're going to see compiler, and it's going to say 8.1. That's the wrong one. We want 050. So we're going to go in here, and we're going to pick right down here 050, and we're going to go compile, and I compiled it. Okay, then we're going to go to deploy and run transaction. So we're going to go over here, click on that little arrow thing here, token name. You can make any name you want. I'm going to call my token. Token symbol can be anything. I usually use 3 capital letters. And loan amount of 1,000. That's the amount of BNB you're borrowing if this program finds a profit on PancakeSwap. You can swap. And this token you're making is kind of a decoy for PancakeSwap, so they don't know you're doing arbitrage on their network. So we're going to click on, after that we're going to click on transact. It's going to pop up. You're going to go confirm. You have to, let's see, it should be pending. So we're going to wait a little bit for that to go through. Okay, it went through. Now, let's click on this little arrow so we can see. There's our new contract we just launched on PancakeSwap. Oh, no, not on PancakeSwap. We launched it on the BNB Smart Chain. So we're going to copy that. Go to send. Paste in your new contract address. And you're going to have to send gas money over to the contract address to run it. For 1,000 BNB borrowed, I usually do 0.15. If you do more than that, you can just calculate kind of based on that metric. And we go to next, confirm. We're going to wait for that confirmation. Let's pause. I'm going to go get some coffee. Okay, so we went ahead and it's gone through. So now we're going to go over here to our little contract we launched, and when you click on this little arrow thing right here, it pops down and says action. This is to run the smart loan contract we just made. So we can click on action. Should pop up. We have to give it a tiny bit of gas to run this function. We're going to run it, and the amount we have right now, watch this, to the contract after it's done, boom. Look at that. Look at that amount we just made. I'm going to leave the link to everything in the description for this code, and also the link to remix.ethereum.org. It's very simple and straightforward, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you.